illuminate more about repairing America's soul. A new song by Elaine Jung.
I walk down a dusty road and there's a hope. You are there too. We remember the promise of the American soul. Beautiful words of liberty and justice for all. Highly thought and yet noble when it's gone. Criticism poses as strength. Anger pretends to be a goal. There is a hole in the American soul. We must repair that hole in American soul. To build, to love, to respect, we will heal the American soul. I return to the dusty road, and suddenly truth has filled that hole. We have filled, repaired, together we hold the American soul.